Bhuloham Tamil movie summary. There are two rival factions of boxing in North Madras, Irumbu Manithar Rasmanikam and Nattu Marunthu Vatiyar. The Irumbu Manithar boxer Mariyappan's son is Arumugam, and the Nattu Marunthu boxer Munusami, Besant Ravi's son is Bhuloham. Now, in the present, the Irumbu Manithar boxer is Arumugam, I.S. Rajesh, while the Nattu Marunthu boxer is Bhuloham, Jayam Ravi. Bhuloham has a severe grudge against Arumugam because Mariyappan had defeated Munusami in a boxing match. Unable to bear this loss, Munusami commits suicide by hanging. Bhuloham wants to avenge his father's death by killing Arumugam in the match. This rivalry is being used by Deepak Shah, Prakash Raj, an intelligent TV CEO, to make money through his FSC, Future Sports Channel, Independent Boxing Cup. Deepak exploits the boxers' innocence and makes them fight to gain TRPs. In the inaugural match of IBC, Bhuloham hits Arumugam to the extent that he goes into a coma. Bhuloham later realizes his mistake and becomes a Samiyar, saintly person. He gets a job in his love interest Sindhu's, Trisha Krishnan, college as a waiter. Meanwhile, Deepak, who is hell-bent on fixing Bhuloham's match with destroyer Gurudyal, Arpit Ranka, hatches a conspiracy. Bhuloham, who desperately needs money to fund Arumugam's operation, falls prey to Deepak's plan. As Bhuloham hits Dayal after the match is over, he loses the match. Unable to bear Bhuloham's loss, his coach Rathinam master, Ponvannan, commits suicide by consuming poison. Meanwhile, Deepak plans to bring an American-based psychotic boxer Stephen George, Nathan Jones, to kill Dayal as to increase the TRPs of the channel. When Dayal tries to leave the tournament, Deepak threatens him that he will kill his family. Under pressure, Dayal lodges a complaint against Deepak in the boxing union. There, Bhuloham declares that he will fight against Stephen, not to show his supremacy, but to expose Deepak's wrongdoings. He reveals that Rathinam was being pressured by Deepak for entering into the ring against Dayal, and when Bhuloham gets defeated, Deepak deceives him. The union supports Bhuloham, and they make a plan that Stephen will declare that he will fight against Bhuloham. The plan succeeds, and Deepak, though reluctant, has to go to the union office for signing Bhuloham for the fight. The agreement which Deepak poses against Bhuloham is partially rejected by Bhuloham, as Bhuloham correctly predicted the intention of Deepak to make exorbitant profit and pass the earning from the sports channel only to Deepak's clan and deprive Bhuloham of their due share of profit earned from boxing. Bhuloham openly opposes this cunning plan of Deepak in the union office and strictly advises Deepak that he will participate in the upcoming match with Stephen only if international referee is present in the ring. Due to the potential of the match for immense profit, Deepak, though reluctant, is forced to sign on the agreement created by Bhuloham and the boxing union. This incident annoyed Deepak, so he cunningly planned to take revenge by killing Bhuloham. After signing the agreement, Deepak tells Stephen that he will give Stephen his lifetime earnings in a single match if he kills Bhuloham using a foul punch. Stephen agrees to this condition and practices hard for the match. The match happens, and surprisingly to Deepak's shock, Bhuloham wins the match as he does not stop the match when Stephen hits the foul punch, and partly due to the encouragement and advice given by Arumugam to hit Stephen near the hip bone, due to which Stephen lost his strength. After the match, Bhuloham exposes Deepak's wrongdoings. After losing the match for the first time, Stephen gets ashamed and realizes his mistake. He reveals that Deepak offered him $40 million to kill Bhuloham through foul. As a result, the Future Sports Channel is sealed for a lifetime, and Deepak is jailed for his malpractices. The movie ends showing Bhuloham, Stephen, Arumugam and Dayal holding the trophy and saying that they are the winners for the match.